Very good morning, my dear kids. How are you? Yes, see, our today's work, you have to take out English books. English practice book, page number 2 you have to complete. In English workbook, you have to complete page number 3. And English worksheet, page 2A and 2B you have to complete. And English course book, page number 5 and 6 you have to complete today. So take out these all books. Keep ready with your pencil, eraser and start writing, practicing in the book. Now see children, take out your English practice book. In English practice book, we have first written all the, we have wrote all the capital letters. Now page number 2 you open and put today's date here and then see carefully, you see the lines. 3 lines are given. 1, 2, 3. In which letter will come in middle line, which letter will go up, which letter will come down. You have to carefully write the small letters. So first small a. You have to touch the blue lines, 2 blue lines. Small b. Small b. You have to touch from up red line to the down second blue line. Small c in middle line. Small d, from up you have to write from red line to the second blue line. Small d. Now E is between 2 blue lines. F from red line to the second blue line. F. Then again small g, it should come down. Not first line, second and third line. Small h. Small I, small j, small k, like this finger gap give and write. Small l, small m, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r, small s, small t, small u, small v, small w, small x, small y, small z. You have to write like this all the small letters A to Z and you should read. Okay children, neatly write. Understood? After writing this, close this English practice book. Then take out English workbook. English workbook. See here, page number 3. Page number 3, you put today's date here and here small letters A to Z are given. You just wrote now only in English practice book. See that you have to join from A to Z. So first A is here. So you join, you connect to the B. Then B to C. C, D. Like this you have to slowly join all the letters. E, F, G, H connected. H here. G to H here. I to J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Like this if we connect, we will get one duck here, like duck, bird shape, bird. So here when we join the letters, you will get a duck here and then you have to color it or just join the letters. Okay children. So after writing this, close this book. Then take out English worksheet, page number 2A and 2B. You have to complete today. Worksheet 2A. See here 4 letter words. In 1B, 1A we have seen 3 letter words. Now we are writing 4 letter words. Here some letters are missing in the 4 letter word. We have tried the missing letter. The dash. What is this picture? King. What is the spelling of king? K. K is missing here. K-I-N-G. King. The king. Then here, what is this picture? Lamb. Which letter is missing in lamb? L. First letter L. A lamb. L is a consonant. That's why A is used. First letter is L. A is the, we have to use A for the consonant. Then next picture is bell. What is spelling of bell? B-E-L-L. Bell. A bell. Next picture, hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. A hand. Next, last picture. What is the last picture? Which animal? Lion. So, what is the missing letter? L. A lion. A-L-I-O-N. Lion. A lion. The king. A lamb. A bell. A hand. A lion. After writing, you should learn the spellings also, 4 letter word spelling. Then after completing this, you open page number 4. Put today's date here. Here also, first letter and third letter is missing in 4 letter words. So, which picture this is? Fish. What is the spelling of fish? F-I-S-H. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. A fish. Next picture, well. What is spelling of well? W-E-L-L. Well. A well. W-E-L-L. Well. Next, which fruit? Pear. What is spelling of pear? P-E-A-R. First letter and last letter are missing. You have to write. P-E-A-R. Pear. A pear. Next, see picture here. Here E is written. You cut and write L here. Cut the T and write L here. So, what is the picture? Doll. What is the spelling of doll? D-O-L-L. Doll. What is the spelling? D-O-L-L. Doll. A doll. Next, last picture. Ship. What is the spelling of ship? S-H-I-P. Ship. A ship. A ship. Then again a fish, a well, a pear, a doll, a ship. The first letter is consonant. That's why we have to use A. Understood, children? So read the spellings also after writing. Then close this book. Then open English Codes book. English Codes book. Open page number 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Already we have connected the letters from A to N. Now we have to connect the letters from O to Z. So first date, put here today's date in 2 pages and then trace the letters capital O neatly. Small o, capital O, small o. Then connect these red dots, capital O to small o. Join the dots. Neatly join the dots. Then again capital P, small p. Then join them. Connect capital P to small p. Okay, children. Then capital Q, small q. Then join. Like this you have to connect all the letters from O to Z. Capital O, small o to capital Z, small z. These 2 pages you have to trace the letters from left and right have to join and you have to learn these letters, capital letter and small letter. Okay children? Okay, have a nice day children. Bye.